Monkeys are animals that are smart and fun to watch. There are two types. Some monkeys live in South America and others live in Africa and Asia. Monkeys can live in trees or on the ground. For example, spider monkeys swing in the trees, and bamboos stay on the ground. Most monkeys are active during the day and sleep at night. Monkeys have hands that help them grab food, and many have tails that help them balance. Some monkeys use their tails to hold onto tree branches. They are very good at climbing and jumping from tree to tree. In Bangladesh, monkeys can be found in forests, especially in places like the Sundarbans and some hilly areas like Sylhet and Chittagong. They often live near people, especially in villages, where they sometimes come looking for food. Monkeys in Bangladesh usually live in groups and are part of the wildlife that people respect. Thank you very much to watch this video. I hope this video is going to help you to improve your listening.